Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off follower activity notifications on your WhatsApp channel. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right, so to do this, go to your channel and then tap on it to open more settings. From here, scroll down to notifications. Under notifications, if you tap on it, we have two types of notifications. One, we have follower activity notifications, and also we have admin activity notifications. Currently, as you can see, follower activity notifications is currently muted. To turn it on, just toggle this on, and now you'll be receiving notifications from your followers whenever they react to your content. However, if you wish to turn this off, you can toggle this off and this will be muted. You can also customize your notification tone by selecting it from here. So that's how you can turn on or off follower activity notifications on your WhatsApp channel. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.